Save your file. How to save your Excel file in 97 to 2003 format? If you save your Excel files in 97 2003 format instead of the new XLS format, users who do not have Excel 2007 or later installed on their computer can still open your Excel files. Open a workbook. On the File tab, click Save As. On the File tab, click Save As. Choose any location. Select the Excel 97 2003 workbook from the drop-down list. Excel 97 2003 workbook. Then click Save. To automatically save your Excel files in 97 2003 format, execute the following steps. On the File tab, click Options. On the left side, click Save and select Excel 97 2000 format. Yeah, 7 2003 format. Then click OK. Excel will always give you a warning if features are not supported in 97 2003 format. So you can save the files in the new XLS format.